Kitchen scrap garden. Make a garden from the ends of your root vegetables. To create a garden, you will need the tops of root vegetables and a container. Look through your recycling bin to find one. Have your parents help cut the top off of some carrots and have a snack of carrots while you're at it. This will work with green onions and round onions. This also works with the center of a celery stalk and romaine lettuce too. Place the vegetable tops in water for a few days. Now for the fun part, decorating the containers. Containers can be cut in many different ways. Try using a can. Place the can on top of the paper and make a mark at the bottom of the can. Fold the paper where the mark is and cut the paper on the folded line. Glue the paper to the can or the container. Add some shapes and add your personal touches. To make a paper curl, you curl the paper around the pencil. For a paper fold, you fold the paper or you curl it to get the details you want. There are many different things you can use using this folding technique. You can do multiple folds on the same piece of paper. And you can do multiple cuts. To make grass, you can cut slots in the paper, but do not cut all the way through. You can curl the paper with a pencil. This technique can be used for hair or grass. It can also work for an eyelash. Paper springs. To make a paper spring, cut 2 strips of paper. Put a dab of glue and make a V shape. Fold over each side until you have reached the end of the paper and add a drop of glue at the end. You have a finished spring. Paper curls, folds, and paper springs can help add dimension to your project. Here's an example of what you can do using these paper techniques. Experiment and try something new. Time for planting. You can use soil from an old planter or potting mix. Remember to place your garden in the sun and keep the soil moist. Have fun! Until next time!